Where's the door stopper? Well, easy fix. If someone opens this door aggressively, they're going to dent my wall or molding. That's not good. This is an easy fix. Maybe too easy, but I'll show you anyway. Here's the plate, but since this is already installed, I'll put the spring on the existing plate. See that wire edge right there? And the hole right here. Just feed it through and turn. All the way until you can't turn it no more. I know, this was an easy one, but they get harder. If this was helpful, let me know. If you like this, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.